Okay, guys, so this used to be the site of that SoftGloss XS2. And now I'm at that old Sombrero Shell station here in Buckeye.
To enter your code.
I'm going to actually pay really quick, so I'm going to set my phone down. Here's the Interact, or I guess they're calling it a Portal TI, but it's Ryko who makes it. Let me set this down really quick.
Please wait while you're transacting. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
All right. Here we go. All right, let's see what this brand new. I talked to Ernie, the owner of this gas station. He offered me a free car wash to do this video, but I don't need a free car wash. I just want a video. There we go. Surprised you went with the red and blue. I thought for sure that instead of a red and blue, he would have gone with the red, yellow, and gold because he's Shell. So I'm guessing this is, I don't know if this is soap or pre-soak or... Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it's a high pressure pre-wash. So it comes with a pre-soak. There's Triphone. He replaced his Thrust Pro with a Slimline, but that's okay. Oh yeah, look at that foam! Oh, and he's using real Ryko stuff. It's the bubblegum scent. I'm excited. I'm gonna turn off my car so we can have the full sound. Don't get me wrong, I am a bit sad that he replaced his SoftGloss XS2 with a new one. But the wash quality is amazing. Wow. Wow. So it's doing the wheel blasters again. Oh look, it's doing the crossover. You can actually see it this time. Yeah! And that's quiet. Sucks that there's no sign telling you what you're getting. But I guess in this case it doesn't really matter because we're getting the foam curtain. Yeah! Okay, I gotta know what it is. That's Ryko's foaming wax. It's actually a very good product. Now we're getting rain shield. Can you verify? Yep, that's strawberry. Oh. Wow, the dryer started up quietly. I didn't even hear him. It's a nice slow wash cycle. I like that. So I still got 40 seconds left, and I'm about halfway through my car. About 30 seconds left. Seconds left. There it is, out of time. All right, so again, this is called the Sombrero Shell Station. If you remember right, I came here last in my truck and it had the old Ryko SoftGloss XS2. So anyway, there's the new Ryko SoftGloss MAXX. My car is feeling much better. I'm feeling better. You guys are going to be able to watch 2 videos tonight or tomorrow. I will be off tomorrow. I'm going to premiere one video half an hour after the other just to make sure that there's plenty of time. And again, thank you for watching, and more videos to come soon.